In this video, I'll guide you through how to open LibreOffice files. If you've ever found yourself puzzled when trying to access a document in LibreOffice, don't worry, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to this open source Office suite or just need a quick refresher, we'll make sure you know exactly how to get started. First things first, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from their official website. Once LibreOffice is installed, locate the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Give it a click, and the program will launch, bringing you to the main Start screen. This is your hub for creating and opening documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Next, you'll notice in the top left corner of the screen, there's an option labeled Open File. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to accessing all the files you've saved on your computer that LibreOffice can handle, which includes a wide range of file formats, not just those native to LibreOffice. This versatility is one of the many reasons why users love LibreOffice, as it can work with Microsoft Office documents and many other formats seamlessly. Now, after clicking Open File, a File Explorer window will appear. This interface should be familiar to you as it's similar to navigating through folders on your computer. Take a moment to locate the specific file you want to open. You can browse through your folders, use the search feature if you know the file name, or even sort files by date or type to find it more quickly. Once you've found the file you're looking for, click on it to highlight it. Finally, with your file selected, look towards the bottom of the File Explorer window and click the Open button. This is usually located at the lower right corner of the window. After you click Open, LibreOffice will take it from there, loading your document into the appropriate application within the suite. Whether it's a Writer document, a Calc spreadsheet, or an Impress presentation, LibreOffice will display it in a matter of seconds, ready for you to edit, read, or present. And that's it. You've successfully opened a file in LibreOffice. This process is straightforward, but it's always nice to have a guiding hand. Remember, LibreOffice is a powerful tool that is great for both personal and professional use. Not only is it free, but it offers a comprehensive set of features that rival many paid Office suites. If you ever run into any issues or have questions as you continue to explore the capabilities of LibreOffice, there are plenty of online resources and communities ready to help. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy document editing.